everybody, welcome back to the channel for another video. And as you can see, we have made it to Rocky Fork State Park and we are all set up. And guys, this is our amazing view for the weekend. We cannot be happier with this campsite. We cannot wait to share with you all that Rocky Fork has to offer. So stay tuned, guys. So, guys, this is our setup here at Rocky Fork in Ohio. We are in site number 319. We were able to get our shelter tent put up this trip, which I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. And we were able to put the entire picnic table in here. Now I gotta work on getting some furniture for it. So anyway, we've had a long day. And as you can see, Vic in there, always making sure he's getting something to eat. Yes, you, sir. Oh, but guys, look at this view. Oh my goodness. All water. This is the perfect site. We love it. Not too awfully close. We do have some space. We were, like I said, able to put up our shelter, little shelter house here. We absolutely love it. All right, so we're gonna get something to eat. We will catch you guys in the morning. Good night, y'all. Good morning, everybody. How you guys doing? As for me, I'm up and outside early. Normally I sleep in, but I decided to get up, come out, and enjoy this canopy, I guess. I'm gonna have to see exactly what the name of this thing is. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put it right there in the description, the exact name of this canopy. I'm also gonna put in the description the link to the video where we set this up on our RV products unboxings and reviews channel. It is there. We went through the whole tutorial of setting this up. So check that link out in the description. You know, I had to come out here with, I can't hold the camera like that. I'm gonna hold it. To come out here with my cup of joe and enjoy. Well, it was peaceful. The little boy got on his bike. But anyway, I wanted to show y'all how foggy it is here. It is so foggy. We are right literally across the street from the water, and you can almost hardly see the water. Earlier, you couldn't see the water. But I'm going to turn this around just so you can see how foggy it is here. So as you can see, right across from us is nothing but water. But it is so foggy. Earlier today, we couldn't even see the water. But it's starting to lift up. Of course, it is early morning. Normally, I'm not up this early, but I'm up today. We're gonna do us a little tour of this campground. We're at Rocky Fork State Park, and we're gonna do a tour and let you see what it's all about. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go locate Vic. Vic is probably somewhere eating. Hey everybody, we are back.
What's up, Warrior Nation?
Guys, as you can see, we getting ready to go take us a ride.
And I don't want to hear somebody saying they're tired.
This is a beautiful day. We got a nice breeze. We have a nice view from our campsite. Now, Vic, you brought us here, so where exactly are we?
Hillsboro, Ohio. Hour and a half south of Columbus, Ohio.
Oh, and where are we?
We got Rocky Fork State Park.
Rocky Fork State Park, and we have not visited this park before. We end up lucked out, have a nice water view in the front of this site number 319.
Yeah, you would have thought that somehow they would have made it so that your back window would have been facing the water. But I mean, you know, you can't
have everything at a campsite. But I am really pleased with this site. I actually like this site better than the site at Hershey.
Yes.
Yes, because we have room, we have space, and we have a nice water view, whether it's in the front or the back. You just have to move your chair around to where you can see it. Yeah. So anyway, it is nice. It is October. No, not October, till tomorrow.
Till tomorrow.
Yeah, October the 1st is tomorrow. So we're just enjoying the day. We're gonna get out here and tour around the park, see what they have to offer, and let you know and point things out. So you guys stay tuned for that video, and of course check
RV products, unboxing and reviews.
You keep getting tongue-tied with the name.
It's new. It's new.
It is new. So guys, make sure you're subscribed to RV products, unboxings, and reviews. We just put a video up. It has 3 products there. So go over and check that out. We're going to put the link to that video in the description. So anyway, you ready to hit it?
Yes.
All right, guys. We catch you in a few. Peace. Hello guys, welcome to Rocky Fork State Park in Ohio. We are wearing our helmets, so you may hear a little feedback. We excuse us for that, but we wanted to show you guys the front entrance of this state park here in Ohio. This is one that we have not visited before. And so and it's a beautiful day for a nice bike ride, to give you guys a tour of this state park in Ohio. Vic has the map. Vic, you had a map? You got let us see exactly where we're going to be headed next.
Okay. There's the entrance. Somebody's blocking me from seeing.
Sorry.
To the right is the dump station. I have 3 of them.
Also the trash cans there. All of this is in the very front of this state park. And you said 3 dump stations? Where? On that side over there?
Where the big poles over here?
Mm-hmm.
So these 3 yellow ones, and then the 3 big ones there. Let me just walk over here and take a look.
Well, he'll be walking and talking while he's going over there. There is the boat ramp over there, and it's also in the front of this state park. Now Vic is clear over there, and I'm gonna see if he can still talk from over there using the helmets. Excellent. So go ahead, we can hear you.
This first one's here looks like this is water. These first 3. And then the last 3 are the dump stations themselves.
Okay. And that's kind of nice, because you just come through there and you head right out right there.
Yeah, actually you head out this way.
Yep.
Come in and dump.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Yeah, so you can fill up.
but if you're dumping and leaving, I don't know how that works. If you're dumping and leaving, you don't need water.
Maybe you need water on going toward your next destination.
That could be.
Who knows? However the case may be, guys, they have water. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, I was just pointing that out. The marina is in the front of the state park, of this state park. So anyway, if you see that building right there, guys, well, at least not this weekend. That is not the check-in spot. You literally have to go past that and to your left to the camp store, camp office, and check in there. So I'm not sure if they just had that decorated for the Halloween month. It looks like they're decorating, and if that'll be permanent or not. But right now, that is not the check-in spot. So anyway, we're gonna get started and show you guys some of this state park. So guys, as you can see over there is like a shelter house where groups can meet. And that's right off on the side of the registration and concession stand here at the state park. And we're just gonna go in and give you a tour and see what all they have to offer in their store. I can only imagine pretty much the same as most state parks, but it has a very nice seating area out here. And flowers are nice and pretty. So a very nice looking area. And they are starting to decorate for Halloween. So we're gonna go in and see what we can see. So stay tuned, y'all. Magnets, gotta get me a magnet. Ooh, I see them in here, babe. Yep. There's definitely some fish in here. Look. I seen one jump up.
And the fish usually will hide under the lily pad, and they will wait for something to swim by, and I can see movement in the lily pad. So if you got a good, like, top water bait, you can grab it over the lily pad, and I'm sure you'll get a hit. If we come back here, I'll have to remember definitely to bring the fishing rods.
So as we exit the marina, guys, this is the camping area that is considered lakefront camping, and we lucked out and got one of those sites. So Vic is taking us to another area of this fantastic campground. So Vic, take it away. I'm behind you. Right here, guys, is where the Lakeside camping area is. And we're just gonna take you through here. It's not very big, but it is big enough. Please observe the following rules. Pets must be on a leash. Guys, if you have pets, put them on a leash. It's the rules. It is the rules. Pets on a leash.
So it looks like there's 20 sites.
He said about 20 sites? Okay. Alright, so we're going to go on around. Just follow. There are one-way streets also. There are one-way streets. We thought we put some stuff on our brakes, but we tried. And it starts at 301. They start at 301. There's that nice avalanche. I ain't going that way. It's gravel.
Yeah, I know
Down, then we were just back there on the other side. Them aren't, yeah, but them aren't full hookups back there. Electric. But then within this loop, which is the lakefront sites, are all full hookup. And then you get this fantastic view. Y'all see that nice site G&G sitting in? G&G is sitting right there. Yeah. Site number 319. And these sites over here end at site number 320, which is right there. That's the end of the Lakeview sites. So peaceful. I told Vic I wanted to take another spin. All right, guys. So we are back, and we have turned off the helmets. I'm sure you can tell the difference. The good thing I like about him is he went quite a ways and I could still hear him. But the downfall is when we're doing a video, you can kind of hear the feedback from them. So we turned them off just to kind of go over our little tour. What did you like? What did one thing you like about the Rocky Fork?
It's spacious. The lily pads, because I know there's some good fishing in there. I know there is. There's, for those that like trails, they do have a trail in this area that we're in right now. I actually took my bike in the woods here behind us and went on the trail. It's not a large trail, like a couple of miles like that. It's nothing like that. But it's, you know, nice
something to do. But and it's gravel. It's not paved, is it? Was it paved?
Dirt.
Dirt trail.
Yeah.
But this is one of the state parks we wanted to check out, and it's not a huge state park, but it's a nice state park.
Yes.
It has
nice. And quiet.
It's
Very
quiet. It's peaceful out here. We have a good site, a water view site. So those sites over there are full hookups.
There was a couple of full hookups at the top. The upper camping section, there was a couple of full hookups there. They were spread out, but the main majority of the full hookups are down.
Are the water sites.
The water sites.
So make sure you get a water site, because those are the full hookup sites if you want a full hookup. Plus, you get a lot of space in between the sites in that area. So we would recommend those. I'm sure most folks like a full hookup, but even some of the electric only, the sites are still nice and huge. I mean, we like this campground.
And even though there are kids here, we haven't heard of them.
You don't really hear a lot.
Yeah, there are kids here.
The thing is, they have the kids play area. I'm gonna show you how far away it is.
It makes a difference.
That makes a difference. You can see all the way up there on that hill is the kids' playground. So they move away from the campsite, which is here, and they go clear up there to the playground, and then beyond the playground up there is the upper camping area.
And the playground is situated sort of like the same way up there. It's kind of away from the camping area.
So the kids kind of have their own little play area, basically. Vic always pointing something out. That's called a crane.
Yep, white crane.
He said a white crane. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see the white crane? I can see it now. It kind of blends in a little bit, even though it's white. It blends in with all this green. Look at all these lily pads. If you are in Ohio, put this one on your list for next season. It's definitely worth checking out. If you're coming through Ohio, this is the south end of Ohio. Put it on your list. Stop through here. It's not very expensive. And you also, all of the state parks, you receive a military discount if you have been in the military or are in the military, which makes it a little cheaper. All right, guys, we're back. We hope you enjoyed this tour
of Rocky Fork State Park.
Yes.
In Hillsboro, Ohio.
Yes. We tried to share with you everything this park has to offer. We hope you enjoyed it. Give a video a thumbs up if you do not mind. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
and share, so
Yes.
that everyone knows that the real weekend warriors are still here.
Still here and still putting out some great content.
Just on a new channel.
Until next time.
I'm Vic.
And I'm Kerin. And we are the Real Weekend Warriors 2.0. See ya.
You just had to get that in there. You just had to get it.
So, we decided to take us a night ride before tomorrow, which is checkout day. It gets pretty dark around here, so we're trying to get a little ride in before it gets pitch dark. And believe it or not, what you see right now, it gets darker than this, right? Guys, if you want to light up your bike for that nighttime stroll, this is what it'll look like. You get to cover 2 wheels on 1 pack.
And you can get different colors also.
Different colors for the color bike that you
We just got
have.
the single color because it was the blue, but you can get the multicolor.
All right, link is in the description. This is one of our favorite products that we would recommend. These lights are definitely one of our favorites. We like to take a nice nighttime ride, and they are battery operated. How many batteries, Vic? 3.
3 AAAs.
There you have it. Well worth it. The link is in the description, guys. Get you a set of lights ASAP.